When I was carried on board, I was immediately handled and tossed up to see if I was sound by some of the crew, and I was now persuaded that I was got into a world of bad spirits, and that they were going to kill me. Their complexions, too, differed so much from ours, their long hair and the language they spoke, which was very different from any I had ever heard. When I looked around the ship, too, and saw a large furnace of copper boiling, and a multitude of black people of every description chained together, every one of their countenances expressing dejection and sorrow, I no longer doubted of my fate. I found some black people about me, and I asked them if we were not to be eaten by those white men with horrible looks, red faces, and long hair. The white people looked and acted, as I thought, in so savage a manner, for I had never seen among any people such instances of brutal cruelty, and this not only shown towards us blacks, but also to some of the whites themselves.